What's up, survivalists? Jason here. Today I'm going to sell some of my survival gear and survival kits that I have personally made. So, I know over the past few months it's been kind of hard for us to either get a job, keep a job, or get some type of money on the table. But this is my way of trying to get some money on the table while I wait to hear back from this job in a park ranger type of field. So, currently I am selling on eBay, and this is where all this is going to be if you like any of it that you see. So I'm going to start with the survival kits. I have this Pelican 1060 waterproof case. This is really durable case. You've probably seen this case on my channel before because it was my I Need It Now kit, but I've changed it up a little bit. So the main things that were changed were probably like the actual paracord. You definitely have, I think, at least 7 feet of paracord right there. I have a button compass, which this kit did not have. It still has the carabiner on the side. Really nice container right there. I've changed out the flashlight, made it into a much better flashlight, and it seems a little bit more durable. Same water filter, but I'm going to do a separate video showing what's inside of this whole kit. So I'll leave a link in the description down below to that video and see if you're interested in this type of kit. The next kit is a little belt pouch kit. This is actually from a camera bag. Right here, I have a little knife right there. Inside, I have a little survival kit right there. So again, doing a separate video on this, so go check that out, what's inside of this kit. Then a little fire kit. You flip open this tab, go in the corner and pop it out like that. And you can see inside there a little sneak peek. Plenty of fire starting capabilities inside of there. I have, let's see, I think that's all the kits, the actual kits that I have. Now I'm getting into like kind of the gear. I have a Nitecore EA45S. This has been with me for a long time. It is still going strong. It's probably one of my most favorite flashlights out there right now. But I'd rather have the money right now to pay off any other student loans that I have. So this is a 1000 lumen flashlight, and it only takes 4 AA batteries. I mean, AA batteries for 1000 lumens. That's really awesome. But if you leave it on there for a little bit too long, the batteries may not last as long as normal other, like kind of like a 1080 or whatever the battery is called. But I think I like this one because the AA batteries are more accessible to me, at least, so I don't have to keep charging them every night. So it's really nice flashlight. It still has everything with it. I still have a sheath. It has the little lanyard it comes with, the manual, the whatever thing that is, the actual piece model number you have there, but then the actual flashlight. It is still a pristine looking flashlight right here. I currently don't have any batteries in it, but you twist the bottom right here, and that's how you put in your batteries. And this is an awesome flashlight. It is waterproof down to 2 meters. 2 meters. So it has like probably 4 or 5 different lighting capabilities, and it does have strobe as well. So it is an excellent flashlight. I think the only damage is probably this small little nick, and I don't know where that came from, but that is the only thing you probably have to worry about. But it's still an awesome flashlight. Next, I have a SOG Twitch 2 right there. This is a special edition or limited edition, or whatever you want to call it. It was by Knife Rights in 2014. You're not going to have many of these out there. So next was going to be this whole bag of gear. I'll leave the prices at the end of the video so you can see which one you want and check out as well. So this kit is going to be, or kit or gear, it doesn't have a bag with it, but I'm going to call it like the 10 C's bag. So I have a variety of gear right here that has to do with the 10 C's of survivability through Dave Canterbury. So this comes with Bushcraft 101 and Advanced Bushcraft. I haven't even gone through this whole book yet. It's still a really nice, pristine kind of looking book right there. There's a little bit of wear on this side for like shelf wear, but it's still a nice book. I read through this one. So you get both of these books. You get a Elk Ridge, I think it's 088, I believe what it's called. If not, I'll leave a picture or a description down below right there. Really nice little belly right there. Definitely can be used for possibly skinning. I'm not quite sure on that, but it's definitely great for bow drill kits. Just an awesome knife. I have used it a little bit, but haven't used it enough to actually keep it. So it comes with a really nice leather sheath right there and a leather lanyard. And then we have a little paracord bracelet, a simple cinch on there. So there's no buckle on this one, it's just simple paracord, the orange and black, and in a Mad Max type of cinch on there. So then for other cutting tools, we have a little wire saw, have a Swedish fire. This is unused right here. Really nice right there. I have a little paracord bracelet, another one, but it has a button compass integrated on that. I have a little sharpening stone, keep your cutting tools sharp. I have a emergency poncho with a little Mylar blanket. A nice roll of duct tape. This is 5 feet of duct tape. A little sewing kit. I actually have, I don't know how much string is on there, but there's a ton on there. And then I have a canvas needle and a Cruel needle, I think it was called, and some safety pins in there. I have a no brand flashlight, got this from Tractor Trailer Supply, really nice. I have a little collapsible water bag, haven't used it. And a Coghlan's tube tent, still new in the package. This one's the older version, like a 1986 version. And a cotton bandana. So that is the 10 C's little gear haul that you can get right there. Then finally, the last things that I'm selling are these two sleeping bags. They're Mummy sleeping bags. They're a little tight for me, although you can use it for a ground cloth and then a blanket, or you can combine them together and make a bigger sleeping bag. But this is like a left and a right here, so that means left zipper or right zipper, whatever your preference is, but I'm selling both of them together. They go down to around like probably 50 degrees Fahrenheit or around like 10 degrees Celsius. So that is everything that I have for sale, and I'm going to have it on eBay. Check them out in the description down below. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, kind of help me out, see if I could get a little bit more extra cash on hand while I'm waiting for this job to come in. So I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.